Hello, thank you for watching to my channel. My name is London Holloway, and today I want to show you a package I got received in the mail for a new program called Cash Machine. A $10 cash machine, and it's my working pack. I just got the kit. I just got it in the mail, so I already opened it up. So I want to take everything out of it and show you that what's coming in the kit thing. As you see, it came in my name. It's London Hollowworth on this right here. Okay. And in it, I'm going to give you everything that came in it today, so that you know is this real. And I want to show you everything that came in it today. So the first thing we got is a letter. Say read this first. You see that right there. Read it first. It tell you about the program. It's a $10 cash machine flyer. And then as I got that right there, then it got a $10 cash machine. How you to make money, mailing out flyers. And as you can see that, a $10 cash machine. And also got a paper showing you where you can buy weekly mail orders, leads and everything. And how you can make more money from the $10 cash machine by using this flyer right here. And it show you everything you need to do on that one. And this one right here is a flyer that show you how to buy more leads from different places on the internet, and it got different places you can buy more leads for 20% off. And as you can see, they got also a Millionaire Pro stamp that came in the mail, where you could join a club and get free stamps in the mail. Which, if you want to start a business in mailing, direct mailing, you need to get on this right here, because it'll save you a lot of money, because stamps are very high. So it's called the Millionaire Pro Stamp Club. When you send stamps, they get stamps daily in the mail. And last, at least, I also got the $10 cash machine with my name on it. As you can see at the bottom of it, it got my name at the bottom, London Hollowworth. As you see that right there, London Hollowworth. And when you see this in the kit in the mail, your name will be on it on the first row. And as more people join you, your name will move down to the second and the third as people join you, and you'll be permanent. So anybody go under you and join, and your name will be permanent. You will receive $10 from unlimited from anybody. And another thing I want to show you, you also get leads. I got 50 leads. This is a whole sheet right here with leads on it. And I also got a couple more to go with the leads. And these are the leads right here. That's 50 leads to go with you, get you started off. This is what I got today in the kit. So if you want to join me, know more information about the $10 cash machine, call me at 803-402-0780, or email me at LondonHFreedom69@gmail.com for more information. Or you want a flyer, just get in touch with me. You can text me, call me, or leave an email, and I'll send you a flyer. It's a $10 cash money flyer. Thank you for watching me. If you like this video, like it and subscribe to it. London Holloway. Thank you.